Hey Rhythm Nation, Panda P here with Ollie. We're now going to make some music on the spot. Now I have no idea what sounds Panda P has for me. I have zero idea. He's going to get the sounds out, pass them to me, and I have to make the music instantly. Can I do it? I'm going to start with a beatbox rhythm, is that alright? So I'm going to start with a beatbox beat, and then I'm going to start layering your crazy sounds. I'm sure they're going to be crazy if it's Panda P. Anyway, let's begin with the loop station. This is where I'm going to be layering all my sounds, and I'm going to start here with a beatbox beat. Let's go.
Yeah, boy! Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We're about to go on an adventure in sound.
Alright, I like the beat. Alright, Panda P. What sound have you got for me? Oh, ukulele. I like ukuleles. That's a good start, Panda P. Thank you very much. Here we go. Yeah. Alright, Panda P. What other sounds have you got for me? Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Whoa! A voice changer. Yeah. Alright, I'll give you some of it is. Alright, Panda P. What? Panda P. Alright, alright. Alright, Panda P. What sound have you got for me? Come on. What? Nice. It's like a really nice clap. Alright, whoa, I love these things. Yeah! Panda P. What did you think? Oh, yeah, thanks, Panda P. Wow, I mean, that was an education for me. We really are thinking outside the box now. Looking at toys around you, looking at everything around you. Music is truly everywhere. Think outside the box, people. Cannot wait to see you again. And in the meantime, listen with care, because you're going to find that music and inspiration is everywhere.